Too big.
Okay, this is our living room. This is our front door. That's the closet, and this is gonna be the bookshelf. They did a lot of ripping down today. I had this place all clean last night.
Can I see behind the camera?
My dad doesn't want to be filmed because
Let's go down to the dark, creepy rooms.
I'll get there. These are the stairs up to the bedrooms.
Not all the bedrooms.
This is our beautiful living room that we're obviously going to redo all the floors.
Dining room.
Oh, I keep calling this the living room. This is the dining room. That goes outside. There's no deck or anything. This is our kitchen with beautiful green cabinets with no doors.
You're
Nice.
real confused by the after pictures. Nothing's don't make any sense.
This is where they had their laundry. This is also our workshop and the garage door. That's the garage out there. Let's go upstairs. This is the bathroom they've been working on. Everything's gotten blurry. It's our bathtub. Toilet will go there. My battery is dying. Master bedroom. Not much to look at.
Oh, it's on the garage.
Penelope's room. And Oliver's room. Okay, now I gotta run downstairs before the battery dies. Oops, I got you on camera. This will be the children's play area. There's a door there that goes out. Let me see if I can find a light switch. Okay, this is gonna be where the bathroom down here is. It's gonna be bigger than upstairs. They ripped all this out. And that over there is gonna be the laundry room. And that down there is just a creepy basement, and there's no need to go down there because it's just a spider basement. Yeah, this is their next big project, is building up a wall here to separate and building a little hallway maybe. Yep, it's still kind of in shambles, but it's got great potential. This right here is all going to be spindles. Is that what it's called? Spindles?
Dead?
Not dead yet.
Your father says they make them every day.
I like that beam up there. The high ceilings.